Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to download any video from almost any website using Google Chrome. First, go to this website called Video Downloader Professional and click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Now, once the extension has been added, open any website that you want to download videos from. Let's say I want to download any of this video. Go to the extension here, click and choose Video Downloader Professional. You can also pin it. Click on it. Just click on the first video here. Click on it. And here we can see the video has been successfully downloaded. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.